Hi guys, a little man in a little van here, and today I'm at Brands Hatch for Tunerfest, and here is my car. There it is, looking very shiny, and I'm on the Kent Modified Ford stand today, one of the clubs I'm a member of, and I just want to give out a little shout out to my friend ZG Vlogs. He started his channel around the same time as me, and if you're into your cars, go follow. That's the car show I'm at today, Tunerfest, and let's walk around and show you some cars on the Kent Modified Ford stand. There's another Fiesta like mine, the 3-door Focus ST, another ST here, another Focus, I'll just give you a little walk round. There's quite a few Fiestas on the Kent Modified Ford stand, but wow, it's a nice orange Focus. Another Ford Fiesta. Oh, so cool. Yeah. So there's just a quick walk around of the car club I'm with, on the stand I'm on, and there's my car again, a nice Ford Mondeo as well. There's my little car again. Okay guys, I'm gonna have a look round, and I will catch you guys in a bit and show you some more cars. Right, see you in a bit. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back again, and let me just show you this car. This looks amazing. Look at this great big American car. Oh my god. Imagine this, having this made into a camper. That would be so cool. It's absolutely giant. Wow, that's so cool. That's amazing. What do you reckon, guys? What a nice car. Oh wow. That thing is slammed. Look at that. That is mad. Wow. VW Sirocco, I think it is. Wow. That's got to be on airbags, guys. Look at that. That is so cool. Another Ford Fiesta. Lots of Fiestas about, but wow, this thing looks cool. That is one cool looking car. And so is that. That is cool. Let's see what else we got here. Wow. Ooh. Now that's a bit different. Look at this little yellow Honda over here, guys. Wow. We've got to have a look at this thing. That is so cool. Wow. I've never seen one of these before. Let's have a look at the inside. That is crazy. Look at the little tiny screen and the buttons. That's so cool. What? It's rear wheel drive. That is so cool. It looks like a little lawnmower engine. That's so cool. Wow. Honda S660. Yeah. Never heard of that before. That's a cool little car. Wow. Wow. That's got to be a Japanese import, surely. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely is, because the indicator stalk is on this side of the car instead of on the left hand side like it normally is. And that's how you know it's a Japanese car. Wow. What a car it is though. That's amazing. Oh, those exhausts look cool as well. That is so cool, guys. Right, let's go and see what other cars we can find. Ooh, that's nice. Haven't seen one of these in a while. Toyota MR2. Very nice. Wow. Yeah. That is really nice. Yeah. That's been set up for track. Look at that. Look at race harnesses inside. I don't know if you can see that from the glare or not, but that is so cool. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can find some more interesting cars, and I will get back to you guys again. Alright, catch you in a bit. I found another interesting car. Look at this Focus RS. Look at the paintwork on that, guys. Or is it a wrap? I'm not sure if it's a wrap or paint, but if it's paint, damn, that is cool. Not too sure if it's a wrap or not, but how cool is that? Oh wow. Even the engine bay. That is super cool. Wow, guys. Nice. Right, right. I'm gonna go off again and find some more interesting cars. Catch you in a bit. Hello guys, we're back again. Just want to show you my friend's car. This is a ZG Vlogs car. It's a Toyota Yaris T-Sport, and this is a ZG Vlogs car. And here's ZG Vlogs.
Hello.
How are you doing? You doing good?
Yeah, I'm not too bad. I'm only trying to get some more footage in a minute.
Are you? That's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, if you're interested in your cars and everything like that, go follow ZG Vlogs. I'll catch you guys in a bit, guys. See you later. Okay guys, I'm back again, and this is a Ford Fiesta like mine, but it's been crazy modified. It's got a great big wing on the back and Lambo scissor doors on it, and look at this crazy engine. What engine is it again?
ST150 with a Cosy cam inlet.
Wow,
200 brake.
that's crazy. A lot quicker than my little Fiesta.
It started off as 1.4 diesel.
Really? Wow, that's so cool. Wow, I bet it flies.
Huh?
That's amazing. That's so cool.
Focus arches
Yeah,
from the 3-door,
cool.
bolted to fit.
Cool, I bet it took some work to do.
Took him a week to do the arches, a week to do the bumper.
Wow.
Whole
that's
day
not
just to
bad.
do one rear arch.
Cool. Oh, look at that, guys. What do you reckon? I'm back again. I'm at the car now. It started to chuck it down, and yeah, it's been a really good day today. Lots of nice cars to see, and yeah, it's just been a all-round good day. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a little man and a little van, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later, guys.